Look at that. Wow. Can you believe it? Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about covering your outdoor spigots and making sure that when it drops below freezing, you don't have issues with this. And you obviously don't want to keep your hoses connected to it because it can actually hold water in it. You don't want it to expand and crack your spigot and have leaks or other problems like that. So we did a review on these. These are nice. They're foam. You know, you have to have this little hook. That little hook goes over top of the spigot head, and then you can tighten it with this, which makes it really easy to do and that sort of thing. So we did a review on this one. I'll put a link in the description below that. The challenge I had with this is one of these fell off and it blew away. So they're very lightweight. And the other part of it that's kind of not great is the cord inside can get frayed. And when it gets frayed or stretched out too much, it doesn't work at all anymore. So I decided I was going to upgrade to a fabric one. So this is the outdoor cover. They're waterproof. They have a reflective strip on them so that if you are walking near a path and you don't want to hit your leg on it, you'll see the reflective strip on it. And so basically it goes over your faucet just like this, and then it's Velcro. So it's not going to blow away, and you can tighten it as much as you need to tighten it. And all you need to do is Velcro it under, and it will stay nice and tight to your faucet. There you go. And you have your Velcro strip on it. If you want to, you can tuck this into the back of the Velcro strip, which is I'll probably do just to keep it a little bit smaller. But you can see it goes over a nice deep faucet as well. So this is a narrow spigot head in a pathway, so it's not very big. But if one comes out very far, it's got a decent amount of depth to it. So you can take a look at that. And it gives you winter protection from your spigots freezing and that sort of thing. First step, take your hoses off or anything else that you have connected to these things. And the second one is, then once you do that, you can easily just get this Velcroed into place and you're ready to go. And you don't have to worry about this. One last thing to worry about for winter time. I do like them because they're like, because the foam ones stick way far out and they're ugly. Okay, so that's it. If you want to get something that's a little bit less obvious as this, and some of these too, they come in like almost like a clay color. I don't know why. I mean, how many houses are clay? These come in black. They come in a couple different colors if you want. But as you can see, it folds over. It's like a little baby sleeping bag for your spigot head, and it keeps it nice and warm inside. And you don't have to worry about your freeze, because your spigots are freeze protected. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever had a spigot freeze problem. It'll be interesting. I know people that have had them and they split and they leak water everywhere, and then they have like a whole fountain of ice water. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Super thanks, always welcome. We'll see you next time. These are very cheap online. I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks.